Hello, hello everyone, and welcome aboard the Terror Tram. My name is Nanya, driver's name is Business, and together we are Nanya Business. Just don't look at our name tags because it will not match. And tonight we're celebrating 15 years of Blumhouse Nightmare Fuel. So can I hear you make some noise?
Yeah!
Now friends, look to your left. It's the last time you're gonna see the theme park because you're never coming back. Yeah. But okay, before we get the party started, I do want to go over some rules for your safety and comfort while being on board the tram. So please look at your screens. Oh, good luck everyone.
Good evening. My name is Megan, and I would like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Great job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. We'll be underway in just a second, but before we depart, I need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Did you know 30% of accidental amputations can be attributed to people sticking their arms out of moving vehicles? Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
Okay, cool, fun. So that wasn't supposed to happen, but it did, and it looks like Megan has hacked our system and she's in full control of this tram, and it does get worse. She's not alone. She's brought some friends with her, and they know exactly what you're afraid of. Your ex, bills, commitment. Yeah, they know. They smell it. Good luck, everyone.
This is as far as the tram is gonna take you. That's right, people. You're gonna have to get out and walk, which is really good for your cardiovascular system, but not so good for your chances of survival. I calculate that at 0.00.
What are you?
I'm Megan. Have a nice life. What's left of it. Bye. Adios. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao.
Miss me? The bitch is back.
Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Hell is not flames like the ice. I want to see a magic trick. What you made me do. Look 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 what you made me do. He's got
test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
You're a little late to the party, Cupcake. your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation